Hey there, I'm Serge Baptiste. Welcome to the next part of my Reveal Shocking Truths for Beginners series. This video will reveal some truths about buying and using solo ads as traffic and what goes on behind the scenes, which most new marketers do not know. This information is purely based on my personal experience only. However, I want to share my experience so you can become aware of some of the pitfalls in affiliate marketing, okay? Now, as a quick disclaimer and a word of caution here, if you're ready, go ahead and put on your reading glasses and be prepared to be very shocked. I will reveal 3 critical things in this video that you, as a beginner, do not know. And you will not hear almost anyone talking about these. This moment might be the first time you will listen to what I'm about to say next, but keep in mind that you will encounter these as an affiliate marketer sooner or later. So, the very first thing to know about using solo ads is that solo ads suck. And they suck because they are so unreliable. When you buy solo ads from a solo ad vendor, you rely upon that the vendor has a good list and that the list isn't saturated. And that's the problem right there. You do not know for sure if the vendor truly has a good list, even if you ask the vendor and they swear by their list, because there's something called dishonesty, which happens quite a lot, especially when money is involved. I get it. You're new and you want to make money as fast as possible. But that getting rich quick mentality will keep you broke if that's how you approach your business. Listen, that vendor probably has other marketers buying solo ads from them. So you do not know how many times the vendor has been spamming his list. Also, do you know how poorly the conversions for solo ads are? Let me ask you a question. How often do you buy from a random email that shows up in your inbox? I bet you usually delete that email or send it to your spam folder, right? Well, guess what? So do other people. If they do not know you, why would they buy from you? This method is a sure way to fail as a new marketer if you start off relying on solo ads traffic. I can go so much into this with my own experience with solo ads, and I will make sure to put a link in the description below about my testimony on the product I was promoting using solo ads. So make sure to go ahead and check out that video out. It will put things into the proper perspective on why this is so risky for new affiliate marketers. So the second important thing to know about solo ads that you as a new marketer should know is that the solo ad vendor is like the house in a casino. And as the saying goes, the house always wins. The vendor makes money during the whole process, whether you make sales or not. Here's another factor to consider. Let's say you buy 1,000 clicks from a solo ad vendor and you pay about $500 or 50 cents per click, give or take. And you get your 1,000 clicks, and from those 1,000 clicks, you get a list of about 250 to 300 hop-ins to your email list. Let's do the math here. That is $1.60 to $2 per lead. Do you realize how much money you would need to keep spending to grow your list? So, are you in business to make money or lose money? That would be a very costly way to grow your list. Also, there's no guarantee that you will get the same number of opt-ins next time you buy more solo ads. You could receive much lower or even 0 opt-ins. However, the vendor still makes money. So, think about whose business you are building when you're buying solo ads, okay? The third and last important detail that no one will tell you is that the quality of your list will be terrible. Know that the people who opt into your list who do not have any idea who you are might be a bunch of freebie seekers. Some people use fake email accounts to take advantage of something but will never engage with you in the future. Remember, you do not build a relationship with these leads. They do not trust you, and they will be skeptical. You have probably heard the money is in the list, right? However, if that list is built on people with whom you never build rapport, then there is no money. Make sense? Remember, people buy from who they know, like, understand, and trust. Not many people like to buy from random strangers. I'm sure that you do not buy from a random stranger who approaches you in person now, do you? Well, the same applies to online and affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is not a casino, alright? It does not work like that. Solo ads in the purest form work, but there are many nuances that you must know and understand to make solo ads work for your business. However, as a new affiliate marketer, that is not where your focus should be. I will make a video to show you the full funnel breakdown of solo ads in the upcoming days. If I did it in this video, it would be very long, way too long. Nevertheless, I will add the link in the description if it is not there already. So be sure to look out for it. It will give you more clarity and help you build your business in the right way. So if you're still watching this far in, well, I have a bonus. I know everything I said so far sounded very negative and perhaps pessimistic. Still, I want to give you a great bonus, and that is, you can avoid these mistakes if you choose to follow a simple and fully transparent proven method that works, which is what I did. Going at this on your own is the most extended way to get results. You will make many mistakes along the way, but the best thing is you don't have to. You can avoid those mistakes and make money faster. Not overnight, of course. However, much faster than if you went at it alone. Take many of the success stories from the big business moguls, athletes, and entrepreneurs. They always had a partner, whether it's a coach, a mentor, a spouse, a friend, or even a team. Success leaves clues, and all you need to do is follow those clues and do what successful marketers did when they first started on their paths. And over time, just like them, you will achieve your greatest reward. So now you've heard this critical stuff. Do you know what to do next? Do you know where to go from here and start taking some serious actions? Well, if you're trying to make money online as a beginner affiliate marketer, then I have some honest and practical free training in the link in the description below. This training is incredibly detailed and shows you exactly how to build a real evergreen business online, which brings in traffic, leads, and sales. So go ahead and click on the link below because it's 100% free and 100% awesome. Also, check out my next video in the series. I'll put a link to that and the playlist in the description as well. And if you have anything specific you want to ask me, just leave a comment below and ask me. I'll promise to read and respond to your statement within 24 hours. Also, don't forget to tap the like button and hit subscribe and ring the notification bell, as I have many free tutorials and make money online tips to share with you in the future. Make sure to check out these videos next so you know where not to waste your hard-earned money. Again, thank you so much for your time, and I will see you again in the following video. Take care.